Good morning, good morning, good morning. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. As you can see, guys, no more snow na. Natunaw na, guys. Bye-bye snow. See you next year. As you can see, guys, akin ang kalsada. It's mine. Diba? Social. Hello, vlog. Another day, another vlog. Yehoo! Very early, guys. Ibon lang naguhuni. Mga tao wala, mga tulog. Alright. Look at that. I'm walking middle of the nowhere. Yay! Akin to! Sino makakasalubong dito? Boyfriend ko. Lucky you. I-date ko mamaya. Ano yan? Valentine's. Kung sino mauna mong mamit. Edi wow. Edi wow. Yahoo! Makulimlim po ang panahon. Mukhang uulan. Alright. Yahoo! Ang ganda ng weather. +3 ngayon. +3. Sarap mag-walk, guys. Sarap mag-jogging. That's hospital. Neighborhood hospital. Neighborhood hospital. Keep walking, come on. Alright, thank you for watching my short vlog. Wala nang snow. Alright, mga tabi-tabi na tunaw na po. Pero may mga part pa na hindi natutunan mga doon sa dulo-dulo. Mga garden. Like ganon. Yan o. May snow pa. Yan. Sandali lang yan. Wala na. Bye-bye snow. See you next time. Sana wala nang storm kagaya na nakaraan, but my storm, too much snow. Grabe. As you can see now, parang nagdahilan. Oh, pero ang dami namin sakripisyo. Grabe.